Hi guys. Oh, my friend Zam's here. Let me speak back. Yo. Okay. I don't know where we going today. We both homeless, of course. Where's this guy? Where did he go? Where did bro go? Bro teleported. Bro has teleport hacks. Oh, there he is. Why am I taller than you? Ooh. Wait, what's this place? Bro has a secret hideout. I didn't know my friend had a secret hideout. We're gonna rob the bank. Wait, is he gonna do what we think he's gonna do? We're gonna blow up the safe. But I was using the wrong thing. Let me just help my friend out blowing up this vault. Come on, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Come on, take the bomb and run. Run, 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 run. Bro, we did such a bad thing. Anything to earn money, right? Come on. Bro's fast. Honestly, which way did he go? Let me also get my skateboard out. We're so rich right now. Let's go. Low key, we did a bad thing, but we can never get caught. Yes, let's go. Let's buy a house. Let's buy a house. Honestly, bro, this is so fun. We robbed the bank. We went from poor to rich in a few seconds. And we're gonna buy a house. How crazy is that? Well, now I have the money. What house should we get? I know for a fact this has 2 beds. Bro, me and him is so rich. I can't believe he's not even in my family. Let me add someone. Let me add my friend. Broski. He's actually Zam. He couldn't put his username as Broski, so he put it as Zam. Wait, don't tell me this only has one. It only has one. Oh my gosh, this is a loner house. Well, I can sleep on the couch. Okay. I'm gonna change my clothes in my room. Gonna have to cut the part. And guys, I'm gonna get a new haircut. Okay, guys. Let me actually wear like this outfit, I think. Well, I think that's the one. I got to be daddy. Zam, you done? Yo, Zam. Yo, Zam. Okay. You're looking fine. Why am I wearing casual clothes? We just robbed the bank. I mean, in fact, Zam's right. We should wear better clothes. I'm gonna reset everything. In fact, let me do this. Put that there. Take this hair off. Take my chain off. Guys, of course I have to keep my face. Let me take off this. Guys, I know. My abs aren't gonna show now. Know how muscular people can hide their abs, man? You wouldn't understand because you're girls and you guys don't have abs and all. So like, they're gonna show you. Suit. In front of me. I don't know who was in front of me. I'm so glad with it. I'm fully ready. We are highly trapped gangsters. That's why. Okay. Let me spawn in my car then. I'm rich. This looks fine to me. Come on, spawn already. Let me boost up the speed. 40 is fine. Bro, we just going in circles, I think. Yep, we're going in circles. This guy's stupid. Oh. He wants us to rob that house. I know where the safe is. My gosh. Sam, what you doing, bro? We're dead. Run. Nobody's catching me. Fast. Sam. Come on, what stupid head of yours? It's on the ground. The safe is right somewhere here. And we broke in. I'm in. I have a feeling that girl's AFK. What stupid girl? Come on. Wait, maybe it's this one? Why isn't the door opening? Come on. The safe has to be somewhere here. Where are you going? Bro, messed up my car. Yo guys, I'm sorry I wasn't speaking for a while. Honestly, where's this guy going, bro? Can't believe I have to follow him. Bro, how am I gonna catch up to him? Bruh. Come on, man, let me catch up. grows fast. Where's this guy going? Oh, I think he's going to. I think I know what this guy's doing. Okay. Come on. Where's my bro at? Bro, I'm lagging. Oh my gosh, he left me. Let me plug this. Daddy. He's letting me in. Yeah, let me in. Anytime you let me in there. Zam. Let me in the rainbow. Honestly, guys, we got reached to 4. That's it. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Harry Clan on top. Peace out.